why is it taking so long?
It's got a really long fuse.
It's so far away.
Because that's the safest distance to beat right now.
Oh God. Oh God.
Which way is it facing?
Are you serious?
It's a really long fuse. Come on.
Why is the fuse meandering towards the bear of death?
I see the bear in the silhouette against the fuse's flames, so we're about right.
Me too. Oh Jesus.
This is tense. This is really serious, you guys.
I'm definitely scared right now.
It's about to shoot fire from its hands and dick.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Could we have picked better music? Yeah. Oh my.
Look at the.
That's a dick. And
Oh my God.
That's all that's left of the Care Bear.